We've taken very great care in putting together the curriculum to the modern body shop. And you get experience with fixing a dent in a fender, and then maybe take apart a door, work on a dent on a vehicle until you're actually working on customer vehicles.
You could go into painting motorcycles, you can go into collision work, you can go anywhere that you want to go. You're allowed to make mistakes. You get the grace of being able to learn in an open environment, an open area.
Gave me the skills and the abilities and the opportunities to buy an already existing company, and here we are today, almost 4 years later, learning every day, hiring other students from the industry and giving them opportunities.
That's what draws people to the course is you can come in and you can do a 2-year program. We'll train you to do your job and then be thrown right out into the workforce afterwards.
It's really good to come do a tour, sit down with the instructors and see what you really want to get out of the program.
I was so nervous for going into this career and taking that leap into being a female in this trade, and I think it turned out to be one of the best decisions of my life. It just completely changed my perspective on everything.